Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Republic Day 2025 Tableau theme. The Ministry of Defence announced the theme for the Republic Day 2025 Tableau as Swarnim Bharat, Virasat aur Vikas, Golden India, Heritage and Development. The theme will be showcased on Kartavya Path with creative exhibits from 15 states and union territories as well as 11 central ministries. Due to time constraint, only selected states and ministries will present their tableau during the Republic Day parade. States not selected can present their tableau at Bharat Parv held at Red Fort from 26 to 31 January 2025. Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar classes has now shifted to Noida. Drishti IAS is in Noida now. IAS GS Foundation Prelims plus Mains course first offline batch in English medium, the admissions are open. The address is C171/2, Block A, Sector 15, Noida, near Metro Station, Noida, Sector 15. For any query, give us a call at 87501-87501. Tableau selection process. The selection process was based on fairness, transparency and merit with an expert committee evaluating proposals from states, union territories and union ministries. The committee comprised professionals from fields such as art, culture, music, architecture and choreography. Selection criteria included originality, creativity, aesthetic composition and a balance between heritage and development. Proposals with repetitive ideas were excluded to ensure diversity and uniqueness in the tableaus presented. Significance of the theme. Swarnim Bharat, Virasat aur Vikas reflects India's rich cultural heritage and its ongoing journey towards development. The tableau will aim to represent the diversity of India's heritage while highlighting its progress and modern development. This theme will help portray India's dynamic identity on a global platform, showcasing the nation's historical legacy and forward-looking vision. The Republic Day Parade will provide a unique opportunity for citizens and the global audience to experience India's cultural and developmental achievements. Now it's time for the practice question. What is the theme for Republic Day 2025 Tableau? Vibrant India, Past and Present, Swarnim Bharat, Virasat aur Vikas, India, Heritage and Future, Cultural India, Heritage and Growth. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.